Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I just got done unboxing the second part of this huge stack that I had as a pallet. Some of the specifications on this was that I paid about $6.94 for this one particular pallet that I'm going to show you we're going to do all the listing for. If you look over here, this is all of the cell phone cases that we're going to list or put into a cell phone accessories box for resellers like you. So we're going to get to listing, let you know how much we make. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so we've been scanning away. We found a few things, so we're going to just keep going, processing this cell phone. Yeah. Yep. Yes. Okay. Yeah, so go ahead and scan on Amazon. We'll see if we can sell it. Yep. Is it a purple iPhone 8, 7? Yep. Okay, let me see if it's worth it. Pulling it into Inventory Lab to see how much they're selling for. Yes, they're selling for $29.99. So we're gonna make 25 bucks a piece. How many do we have in that one?
One that I know of right now.
Okay.
Might have another one. Always remove the barcode.
Yes, always remove the barcode. So, all right.
Actively removing the barcode, Heather.
Okay, good job. Doesn't he do a good job? Excellent barcode remover. Okay.
Ready?
Yes, go ahead and scan it. Not on there.
Okay, so this one will go to the
Accessories box. And you know what? Why don't you scan it? Let me just see how much that's going for on eBay.
Yeah.
Yep. So they're selling for $16.99 on eBay. That I've actually seen it sold $16.99 on eBay.
You want me to scan a few more of these that went on eBay?
Sure, go ahead.
These were those 24 karat gold ones.
Okay.
Talking about.
Sure.
Ready?
Yep. $16.99 as well. So this is under completed listings. It sold December 2nd for $16.99. Okay, go ahead and scan another one. That one is selling for anywhere from $13.78 to $24.
Okay. How about this one?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, $15.
What's that moon ring one?
Yeah, there's another one. One sold for $9, but looks like you can get it to go for more.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm back on the spec here.
Okay, so let's go back to Amazon, see what we can send in there. Yep. Okay, that one is on there. I can sell it in new condition. Let's see. It's loading. Spinning wheel of death. Somebody start playing the Jeopardy song. Man. It's having a hard time. Hold on, I'm gonna refresh my page here because I'm stuck.
Joys of living in the country in a snowstorm.
In the country in a snowstorm. Internet doesn't want to work.
I think you get the idea, right?
Yeah.
It's a barcode scanner. It scans barcodes. Peel the sticker.
It's still not loading. Well, we're having technical difficulties.
Yay!
It's loading very, very, very slow. So far, we have quite a few that, well, not quite a few, maybe like 9 or 10. Okay, let me try this again.
Yep.
See if we can load it onto the inventory lab and see what we can price it for. It's just going so slow. So far we've got about 20 items. No, that doesn't sound right. Yeah. About 20 items that we've put on from this batch so far. And about $150 is all.
150.
Yeah. So a lot.
More to go.
Yeah, we have a lot more to go. We're only, how many, like a 25% of the way through, and that's it. So, all right, this one, it's finally loading. I think it's just going so slow, which means we might have to just go ahead and stop recording, and then I'll come back with final numbers for you on this one, because we're just having too many issues because of the weather and internet, so we might have to just come back to it. So what we're gonna do is get yourself a barcode scanner. It's gonna make it go a lot faster.
You don't do this with a barcode scanner.
No.
You don't do this with a barcode scanner. You don't do this with a barcode scanner. You do this with a barcode scanner.
Good job. Good job. All right. So we're going to come back with final numbers and how much we're going to actually make on this. And then we'll, of course, load those cell phone accessories box. I'll throw in a picture. Show them what it looks like.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so I pretty much got everything listed. It ended up being about 53 items I was able to send in online for around just under $600. And so I have the rest of this product here that I'm actually going to be putting into my cell phone accessories boxes. I've looked up quite a few, and you saw me look up quite a few on this video already that kind of ranged anywhere from the $15 to $30 range. And so I'm going to go ahead and build one of those boxes so you can see exactly how I put together one of those cell phone accessories boxes. All right, so basically I've got one of these box 7 size boxes. It's basically, what size is this? It is 12 by 12 by 8, and we're gonna fill it with 25 separate items. And so I'm gonna start collecting some of the items down here on the other end. And so let's see, we're just gonna do in increments of 5 just so I can kind of keep track of what I'm doing. And so all of these are all the Heyday brands, which aren't the high-end ones, but they still are around the $10 to $25 range. And so we're going to make sure they're all in good box condition. So this one was just open. All right. So we've got 1, 2, 3. I love this one. 4, 5. Okay, so we've got 5 of those. These were really good sellers, so we're going to stick one of these in there. 5, 6. Let's do some otterboxes. We're at 6 items. 6. All right, here's some otterboxes. Original price $45. 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's that Black Panther one. 10, 11. Then we're going to do some fun ones. Okay, so 11, here we've got an Ashley Mary, 11, 12, casemate, 13. Here's that gold one with the gold flex. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 in those. Then we're gonna maybe put some battery chargers. We're at 16. Let's do 17. Here's one of those FM transmitters. 18. It's a really durable one. 19. 20. We need 5 more items. Let's do a charging cable. Here's a USB micro. So here's 21. This one's an iPhone one. 22. So there's 22. Let's see what else we got here. I know we had some pop sockets here. 22. Let's see. Here's a network cable. 23. Little phone case. 24. And let's do. Can we fit this one in there? 24. And then this bodyguard's arm thing, 25. Okay, I might have to do a little bit of rearranging just to get this big one in there. Let me see, 25. Let's put this network cable standing up. Yeah, that'll fit. 25. We'll stand up some of these phone cases. See if we can get everything in here. There we go. So 25 items in this box, full to the brim. Gotta try to get it closed now. So I've got so much in here. But this is how each and every one will come, totally stuffed full. These are too tall for right here. Let's see. So each and every box will have that same amount in there. I'm going to put these sideways. There, that probably will help. There, now I can get it closed. All right, 25 items, cell phone accessories box. Currently, I have them listed for $49.99 or less, maybe by the time this video goes out. I don't know. But basically, this is the box. It's very heavy, but 25 items, all in resellable good condition, so that you can put them on eBay and resell them there. So it's a really good deal. You're going to basically pay a little less than $2 a box. So hopefully it's been awesome to see exactly how I put together the cell phone accessories box and see how much I made. Remember, $600 online and then the rest in these awesome reseller boxes. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Don't know how to get to Via Trading? Click the link in the description below. Via Trading was also awesome enough to create a coupon code for my viewers only. Use the coupon code HOOKED, shown in the description below. This code will give you $50 off your very first order of $250 or more from Via Trading.
Hey everybody, I'm packing me some boxes, packing me some boxes, packing me some boxes. Under Armour, otterboxes, awesome. We're gonna put these in there. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you love this pallet unboxing. If you'd like some of these cell phone accessories, check the link in the description below. And then of course, you gotta subscribe, hit that notifications button if you want to see more videos. Go to hookedonpickin.com, see all the cool stuff I got for sale there. It's a super steep discount. And of course, watch some more of my videos. Well, I'll be packing me some boxes full of really cool stuff. Packing me some boxes. Packing boxes.